Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried printing a Google Sheet only to find the neat little boxes vanish and your data looks like it's all floating in space, I've got you covered today. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to print grid lines in Google Sheets so your printouts look professional and easy to read. By the end, you'll never have to worry about those disappearing lines again. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheet, the one you want to print. Now, this might sound simple, but it's really important. The way your sheet looks on screen isn't always what you get on paper. That's why we need to make sure those grid lines actually show up in the printout. Start by heading up to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This is your main hub for everything from saving copies to setting up your print jobs. When you click File, go ahead and scroll down until you see Print and then click on that. It might take a second for the print preview to load, especially if your sheet is big, so just give it a moment, it'll be worth the wait. Now you'll be in the Print Settings preview. This is where the magic happens. On the Print Preview page, look for the panel on the right. You're going to see several options here, but what we're after is formatting. Give that a click. Don't worry if you need to look for a second. Google sometimes hides these things behind dropdowns, so just open up the side menu until you spot formatting. Once you're in the formatting section, you'll see an option labeled Show Grid Lines. This is the big one. By default, this box might not be checked, and that's why your printed sheets have been missing those lines. Think of these grid lines as the roads that guide your eyes through the city of your data. They're what hold everything together visually. So check that box for Show Grid Lines. You'll notice right away in the preview that the familiar cell borders pop up, outlining each piece of your data. That little checkbox makes all the difference. If you want to get a better sense of how your sheet will look, take a quick glance at the print preview window. If you see those lines crisscrossing your data, you're good to go. If you still don't see them, double-check that you've selected the correct option. Sometimes we all miss a click now and then. Once that's ready, you can go ahead and click Next or directly hit Print depending on your printer setup. It's as simple as that. Now your sheet will print with all the grid lines in place, making your report, chart, or schedule so much easier for others to follow. And there you have it, a super easy way to make sure your printed Google Sheets look just as organized on paper as they do on your screen. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or get stuck on any part, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And for more tech tips and tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.